more time, because sometimes we just find folks that are married longer. Anybody married more than 36 years? Not feels like, but actually married more than 36 years. Anybody?